Hi guys, it's Miss Chrisman here, and I'm going to be reading you the book Don't Let the Pigeon Stay Up Late. This was written and illustrated by Mo Williams and published by Scholastic. Don't let the pigeon stay up late. Oh good, it's you. Listen, it's getting late and I need to brush my teeth. Can you do me a favor? Don't let the pigeon stay up late. Thanks. First of all, I'm not even tired. In fact, I'm in the mood for a hot dog party. What do you say? No? Ugh. I hear there's a good show on TV about birds tonight. Should be very educational. How about 5 more minutes? Come on. What's 5 minutes in the grand scheme of things? Oh, what? What? I'm not tired. You know, we never get to talk anymore. Tell me about your day. Oh, I've got a great idea. We could count the stars. Can I have a glass of water? Studies show that pigeons hardly need any sleep at all. It's the middle of the day in China. I'll go to bed early tomorrow night instead. Hey, hey, ho, ho, this here pigeon just won't go. Please, my bunny wants to stay up too. You can't say no to a bunny, can you? Okay, that was not a yawn. I was stretching. I'm yawn 110% awake. You haven't heard the last of me. Great work. Thanks. Good night. The end. Hope you enjoyed the book.